So scenario 2 of eating out and you need to track your macros is you go to a place that does not have nutrition facts on their website. So you do step 1, which would be type in the restaurant name and nutrition facts and nothing comes up. It's a hole-in-the-wall Mexican place, for example, one off, and they hardly even have a website. So what do you do if that's the case? So let's say you go to a Mexican restaurant, you order the chicken fajitas and you're not sure how to log it. Best advice would be to look up a larger chain restaurant of the same genre or type of food. So Mexican. In my neck of the woods, we have Chevy's Fresh Mex, and these larger chain ones are going to have nutrition facts more often than not. I know none of that's spelt right, but Google's smart enough to know what I meant. So Chevy's nutrition facts, here we are. Let's say you got the chicken fajitas from Las Montañas, hole-in-the-wall place. Scroll down, we'll find fajitas. Original chicken does not include tortillas, and it's 390 calories, 51 grams protein, 13 grams fat, and 13 gram carb. So from there, all you would do is search for it first, and maybe in the off chance you're lucky and you find it. As you can see, I've eaten it before, but fajita, Chevy's, and there it is. Just verify those are the correct numbers, which they are. If you weren't lucky enough to find it, all you have to do, just like Chipotle, is enter it, fajita veggies, Chevy's, and then enter the nutrition facts that are listed here. So that's one way. The other way would be, let's say you went out for a hamburger and your hamburger had an all beef patty, lettuce, tomato, onion, ketchup, brioche bun, for example, and no two hamburgers are obviously going to be the same. So my recommendation there would be to deconstruct it and actually look for each ingredient on its own. So I'd search for brioche bun. There we go. I'd search for tomatoes, and you're going to obviously have to estimate the amounts, but that's all right. The more you track and weigh things, you'll get a better sense for how much each thing weighs. Tomatoes. Let's do onion. You get the gist. I'll only do one more. I'll get the patty for you there. Let's say we had 2 ounces of onion. And then for the patty is going to be a hard one just because you're not sure what percentage of meat they're using, but that's fine. Most burgers, you can ask them how big the burger is, but default's kind of a 3rd pound burger. Beef. And then look through a couple that seem, and then find one that seems the average. So we'll check a couple. Counter 0, 28, 38. 0, 29, 25. Sure, that one looks pretty good. We'll log that. Now you have your burger. It's deconstructed. It's not just one item burger because none are going to be the same. So you can strip it down that way if you can't find the actual menu item you ate. So same thing for a salad. You could put romaine lettuce, chicken, feta cheese, balsamic vinaigrette, tomatoes, carrots, hard-boiled egg, whatever was on there, you can put ingredient by ingredient. So that's 2 ways to handle if you're eating out. You find what you want to eat, but the nutrition facts are not